Hello and welcome to my video on how to draw a nose. Noses can be the most difficult part of the portrait, so I'll start with a few common mistakes. Hopefully this will give you an idea of how to start in the right direction. You could mistakenly think that the nose is a triangle and draw that, or even a wave. Now I'll show you how to accurately draw 3 different angles of a nose from observation. For both of the noses I'll draw in this video, I'll start by drawing 3 overlapping circles which plan the bridge and the nostrils. For both of the drawings in this video I'm using a 4B, a 2B and a mechanical pencil. Thank you for watching a Make Explore Art video. Like and subscribe and see you next time.